For the last hour, I have been testing out a brand new piece of software. This software, you'll be glad to hear, is 100% free. There's no trial or anything like that. It's free. Now, whilst I've been playing around with this, I started thinking about different ways we can use this to obviously make money online. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you the software. I'll show you how it works and examples. But more importantly, I'm going to share with you the huge potential with this. So let's dive in. Hello and welcome to today's video. Before we dive in, I just want to very quickly share this with you. It's absolutely free. If you want to go ahead and check it out, there is a link down below. So each and every single month we have this over here, which is our monthly newsletter. In here we share everything about earning online, working from home. We have an interview series and lots more. So if you want to go ahead and get that, please do. It's free, and we publish this every single month. We have this as a PDF and as a flipbook. Okay, so now we've got that bit out of the way, I want to share with you the piece of software first of all. Okay, so this is the piece of software. I'm just going to click on generate really quickly. Okay, now how this piece of software works is you go over to this website over here. It's called ideograb.ai. As I've mentioned, it's absolutely free. Now, I absolutely love this, and I've been playing around with this for the last hour, and you'll see why I'm sharing this video with you and this software, because it's similar to Midjourney in a sense, and it's similar to other, text to image generators, but this one over here is absolutely free. Now we can scroll down here, you can see other examples, what people have been putting in here, and it's awesome. It really is. And how it works is whatever text you put in up here and then click on generate, it will create these images for you. And you can use this for logos, posters, flyers, as you can see down here, print on demand, phone cases. There's lots of different ways we can use this. And as you scroll down here, you can start to see other things that people are creating inside of here. So if you see anything you like, you can simply click on it like this, and you can go into this. You can also favorite things, and then these will go into your favorites tab in your account. Okay, but how this works is, as I mentioned, we put the text in up here, we click on generate, and it will create these for us. If we don't like these, or we do like one and we want to play around with it a bit more, we'd simply click on remix, and the software will create another variation of this up here for you. Now, whilst all of that is great, you can play around with this, but what are we using it for? Why are we playing around with this? Well, obviously to make money. So I was thinking about this, how can we use it to make money? And then I remembered a website that I shared over on the website years ago. So let me show you this. Okay, so we'll come over to here. Now, this is a website called 99 Designs, and over on this website, and this isn't the only one, there's lots of these, I'll share some examples with you. Over on this website here, companies, creators, entrepreneurs, brands, they come on here when they want to, as you can see here, look, build your brand with a logo competition. And if I scroll down here, what happens is companies come over to this website when they want their logo to be created, and they've got these different packages down here whereby they can pick one and then it will get submitted. But once someone has created a competition, it then goes into the marketplace and anybody can go ahead and apply to them. So let me give you an example of this. So there's lots of good things over on this website you can go through and have a look at this. Okay, so we can see here so far on this website, this one website, this 99 Designs, we can see there's been over 441,000 contests to date, and it's around logos. You can see on here, look, $500 for the winner, $200, $100, $150, etc. And there's lots going on this website. Okay, now this isn't the only website. I came across this website over here, which is called Design Crowd, and I was just going through here and having a look, and I'll show you this really quickly. So let me click on the back button and then I'll show you this. So we come over to Design Crowd and we just go over to the jobs tab, and you will see on here currently there's 294 jobs. Now obviously this changes every single day because these competitions are expiring and there's new ones coming online. But if you scroll down here, we can see it will give you a title at the top. On the right hand side over here, it will show you how much you can potentially earn. It will show you how many people have submitted a design and how many designers have also entered these competitions. And again, all you're doing here is you're scrolling through and you're having a look at this. And there's so much on here. Look, a startup software company needs a logo design. This one here is called Race to the Dark. Now I'll show you this one in a second and we can go through. But literally how it works is we go over to these websites, we sign up, they're free, and then we scroll down and we have a look at some of these that we like the look of. Now I've just gone ahead and had a look at this one. So if you want more information about this, then you just simply click on here and it will open up in a new tab. So if I click on there, it opens up into a new tab and it tells you about the actual design brief. So we can see here, look, logo design brief. I need a logo design for a racing theme orthodontic office located in North Carolina. The office will combine NASA, is that NASA? NASA and F1 racing influence, but will remain a high-end practice. And then it tells you about the colours. So you can see, look, colours should remain black, white and blue and include a smile. So this is their brief, okay? So they want you to come up with a logo for this brief over here. So I just thought, I wonder what we can use with this. And then they've got different colours that you can use down here, text and other bits. So literally all I did here is I took some of the information from here and I put that into ideogram over here. And you can see this is what I put in. Logo for a racing theme office. The office will combine NASA and F1 racing influence colours. Influence colours should remain black, white and blue and include a smile emblem. And this is what it came back with. These over here. So I've now got 4 different designs over here that I could take and submit to this over here and potentially win $150. Now, as I've mentioned, if I don't like any one of these, or if I do like it and I want to remix it, for example, like this one here or this one, let's just say, or this one, we'll just click on remix, and then we're going to leave this on here, and I'm just going to hit on generate. It's going to take a second, and then again, you can see up here the time up here is just ticking down. Okay, so once this is finished, it's going to give us different variations of the one logo or the one style that we just went ahead and remixed, and it's awesome. And then if you go over here to your account at the top, you click on here, you can scroll down and you can see these different designs that have been generated for you. You can pin the items, and your liked ones would go in this tab over here, so you can find them all down here. But the fact that this is free is just it really is unbelievable. And we can, as you've seen here, we can use this to go over to different platforms like this and apply for these jobs, and it literally takes us a minute to go ahead and get these done. We can be applying to as many of these competitions as you like in a day, because as you can see over here, let me hit the back button. As we can see over here, there is currently 294 design jobs, and you can see the prices all down here, how long's left, how many people have submitted designs to them. It's absolutely awesome. And as mentioned, we can speed up the whole process by using this software over here, and it's free. So, and literally to create an account, all I did was went over to the website, signed up with Google, and that's it. And then you're in here, and then all you do is, as you can see, describe what you want to see, and you can put it in here. And it's not just logos, by the way. You can do photos, posters, 3D renders. We've got cinematic painting, and if you click on see all, they've got lots more different designs on here for you. But yeah, I think it's a great free resource that you can use, and this is just one way we can use this to make money, is by going ahead and entering these logo competitions. And you can see, as you've seen, the potential with this is ridiculous. It really is. But I like this method. It's simple, it's easy, you don't need skills, you don't need any experience. All you're going to be doing is looking at the brief on here, so scrolling down, seeing one you like the look of, clicking on here, and then taking some of the text from here, and then again just running the ideas or the text from here, the prompts as they were, into the actual software over here, and it will create something for you. So yeah, look, that's today's video. Short and sweet, but it's got huge potential in my eyes. It really has. So yeah, have you seen this AI software before? Have you even used it? What do you think? So yeah, take care, and I'll see you soon.